Are you looking for an experienced, professional, and dependable hood cleaning company with great local references for your restaurant in Seward? I found such a company, and they are licensed, bonded, and insured, and they accept restaurant gift cards and certificates as payment. When a restaurant redeems their gift cards, restaurant's utilities do not increase. On-duty staff count remains the same, and so does their rent or mortgage payments. In fact, overhead costs are barely affected. The only real expense when redeeming gift cards is actual food costs. And, if you're like me, and usually have some idle employees, unsold meals, and empty tables, it makes a lot of sense to trade for hood cleaning. And to also trade for other restaurant expenses. Average restaurant expense breakdown is 30% for food, 30% for labor, 30% for overhead, and 10% left for profit. So, when you trade meals for hood cleaning, you receive an effective 60% discount. So, let's look at some other restaurant expenses that you can purchase using your gift cards and certificates. Your restaurant can trade for employee benefits, janitorial and commercial laundry services, automotive, advertising, and repairs and maintenance. You can also trade for health and beauty products and services, dining and food, entertainment and sports, medical and dental, and for travel, from restaurants, hotels, and cruises worldwide, and you use your restaurant's otherwise empty tables as payment. And there are hundreds of other available trades. So call Anchorage's 26-year-old group of business owners. First, we will get your hood cleaning appointment booked. And then we will see if there are other expenses that you should be trading for. So, for commercial hood cleaning services, call EOA's Anchorage office at 907-345-8000 or visit www.eoacommerce.com/sewer-hood-cleaning. Thank you. And we look forward to serving you.